In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently close your MailerLite account. If you've decided you no longer need MailerLite, or you just want to clean up old accounts you're not using, it's important to close them properly so you're not leaving any data or access hanging around. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click and what to look out for, so you can delete your account with confidence. First, go ahead and log into your MailerLite account as you normally would. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right workspace or brand if you manage more than one, because the account you have selected here is the one you'll be working with. Now, look at the top bar of the dashboard. Around the center area of this bar, you'll see your organization or account name. This is the control you'll use to access your different MailerLite accounts. Click on that name. A drop-down menu will appear. In that drop-down, you'll notice an option labeled Plus New Account. And just below that, you should see a list of all the MailerLite accounts that are connected to your profile. You're not creating a new account here. You're just using this area to manage existing ones. In this list, find the specific account you want to permanently close. On the right-hand side of that account's row, there will be a More Options icon, usually shown as 3 dots or a similar symbol. Click that icon to open the options menu for this account. From the options that appear, choose Delete Account. As soon as you click it, MailerLite will show a confirmation pop-up. This is there to make sure you don't delete the wrong account by accident, because this action is permanent and you won't be able to recover the account once it's gone. Read the confirmation message carefully so you understand that the account and any associated data in that account will be removed. If you're absolutely sure you want to proceed, click the Delete button in the pop-up. After you confirm, MailerLite will process the request and that account will be permanently deleted from your list. There's nothing else you need to do on your side, and that's it. You've successfully closed your MailerLite account.